Hi guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. Just continuing on with the series that we're looking at an individual coin of low mintage, and these coins that we're showing at the moment are all worth far more than face value, many times over. This is one of the newest low mintage coins, which is the 2016 $1, commonly referred to as the changeover coins. And as you can see there by the design, it's a little bit different than normal, not having the full size queen's head on it. But these ones here, very difficult to find. I've really struggled to find them in my probably couple of years, obviously 2016, so in the last few years I found a number at the start, but they've certainly become almost impossible to find now. And if you do find them, they tend to get fairly worn very quickly, which is quite sad really, considering they're a low mintage coin. So finding these guys in any sort of decent condition is going to be difficult, because dollar coins certainly do wear faster than most of the coins, purely because they do get used the most, and they do get banged up against each other and get little dents and things like that all over the kangaroos. So yeah, this one here is one that'll certainly be valuable heading into the future. But I just wanted to, I'm sitting in a different spot today, and that's purely because I didn't have a book that actually showed the mintage. But another idea is that you can log on to the, sorry about the way I'm doing this, it's a bit unprofessional, but to the Royal Australian Mint website, and you can look up the mintages of each of the coins. So in this case today we're looking up $1 coins, and if we scroll down here we can see there on the website that for each of the coins and each of the designs as they come out, starting from coins in 1984, we can see there that it'll give the mintage and the design and a little bit more information about the coin. But as we scroll down, no one's ever found a 1992. It shows a very small number there of 8,000. No one's ever found one, but it's still listed on the site. So technically this $1 coin is the lowest minted $1 coin, and as we keep scrolling down we will get to it. Where are we up to? Where are we? There we are. So there it is, the 2016 obverse, designed to celebrate the 50th anniversary of decimal currency, and a very small mintage of 560,000. So very small mintage, and well worth collecting. And yeah, I hope you guys have some success finding them. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and we'll bring another video to you soon.